this is the platform for you. This saves you, that's it, almost $7,000. It is totally worth it. It includes all of these things that you can get in one place all together. You're offered a 14-day free trial. If you're a small business owner / agency owner, hello. Hey guys, welcome to the first video of the Go High Level overview series. My name is Saad, walking you through this awesome platform, which is Go High Level. If you're a small business owner / agency owner that wants to manage all of their business operations in one place, then my friend, this is the platform for you. Okay, so stay tuned in the videos. We're going to be going over all the features it includes, along with an overview of the pricing, which is awesome in comparison to other softwares. So without any further delay, let's start. This is the website for GoHighLevel, and you're offered a 14-day free trial in which you can go around the software, and you'll probably, start paying for it afterwards when you subscribe to it. But trust me, my friends, it is totally worth it. It includes all of these things that you can get in one place all together. I'm talking about forms, I'm talking about lead sales pipeline management, I'm talking about website builders, I'm talking about email and SMS automation, all in one place. Okay, so yeah, let's just go over the features that it has, a quick overview, and then I'm going to be going into more details in the videos that are to come. So let's start with this. This is the feature sheet. So mind you, this might be slightly outdated because they've added tons of new features with this, which are also super feasible for every person and any business needs. Okay, so number one is the CRM and Pipeline Management system. So you can get an entire CRM system like pipeline management based on automations and based on if you want to do it manually as well. You can manage all of your CRM needs in one place inside High Level. You also got unlimited sales funnels. So let's say that you want to build a funnel for a specific offer that you're rolling out for Christmas or Easter or whatever event that is coming. So for that, you can build out sales funnels and build them all inside High Level. And that is ranging from whoever comes on the funnel, they submit a form, or they book a time, or they sign up for a webinar, or they download an ebook. Anything you can do in this system right there, so you don't have to pay other platforms for these build outs and everything. Okay, you just have to do it all. You can do it all in Go High Level. Cool. And then we have a website builder. Yes, you can build and manage your entire website inside High Level. That's so cool. Okay, and otherwise you'll have to pay $29 per month to any website builder out there. Moreover, forms and surveys. Now this might be really interesting for people, because a lot of people, they need to get information inside the system, and that is done either through a manual import or done through forms and surveys. So High Level allows you to build out forms and surveys that you can send to people, or you can link them on a website. Mind you, that website can be built on High Level, that website can be built on WordPress as well. So totally up to you guys. Okay, then we have an email marketing. Yes, this was the feature that I mentioned earlier as well. You can do email correspondence from inside High Level. You don't need to integrate with another email service providers. Okay, you can do it from inside High Level, and it's super cost effective as well. Like this, the other tools charge $99 a month for email marketing and everything, and High Level is all included in $97 a month plan. So it's super cool. Then we have two-way SMS marketing. I mean, you can do SMS marketing, and SMS out. Then we have two-way SMS marketing. You can do back and forth SMS communication inside High Level, and it also has a dialer, so you can do calling from it as well. It's super cool. Then we have booking and appointments. High Level allows you to build out multiple calendars. Okay, and these can be round robin calendars. It can be a simple calendar. It can be a service calendar or an event calendar. We'll go through them in more details in the videos that have to come. But you can build all of these calendars out, and based on those calendars, you can link them with any page that you want. So you can place a calendar on a website page, or you can also have a link to the calendar just in order to send to someone who you want to book a time with. So it's super cool. I mean, you don't have to subscribe to other calendar platform. That also, you have to pay $29 a month to them. So, but you don't need to do that anymore if you in High Level. Then we have workflows and automations. So workflows and automations are my favorite. Okay, I personally love these, because it allows you to do so much in the platform automatically. I mean, you can build a system in which someone fills out a form, they get an automatic SMS. If they click on a link in that SMS, they move towards a certain stage in the pipeline. And when they move towards a certain stage in the pipeline, they will automatically get this or anything that you want. So it's all linked and it's all automated. And it's so cool. It's so cool. We'll go into this in more details. We'll have an entire series built on this workflows and automations, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. But yeah, let's talk about the other features to come. And yeah, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. And it's like you don't need to subscribe to other platforms, and you don't have to pay $169 a month, which is an average cost you have to pay for platforms like Keep or HubSpot or any other platform. So yeah, you don't need to do that anymore, and everything is centralized in HighLevel, which is so cool. Okay. Then we have courses and products. You can create your own courses inside HighLevel. You can build your own communities as well. If you want people, if you want people to be added to that community, that can also be done automatically based on whatever purchase that they make. So you don't have to do like, okay, if they make a purchase on this platform, then they have to be added on the community in this platform. So no manual tasks needed anymore. Everything can be automatic. And it's a super cool community, much like school, and similar with the courses. You can develop your entire course structure in a way. You can also give assignments in the course for people to fill out, and you can make it like, for example, if someone sees these many videos, then they are moved, and then they're allowed to see the other videos. So it's really cool. Call tracking. Again, I think I touched on this in previously as well. So you can do calling back and forth. The calls are recorded, and based on the response from the call, you can also trigger automations. For example, if you miss a call, you can trigger an automation like miss call text back. And let's say you don't like if you answer a call and you mark them as answered, you can do an automation based on that as well. So it's super cool. And then we have reputation management. So this is a cool feature that they added recently. It allows you to guard your online reputation. So let's say someone leaves a review on Google or Facebook or any other listing that you have, and you can see all of those inside HighLevel. So you don't have to go into other platforms and see, okay, how many reviews people have left. You can just go into HighLevel in the review management section and see all of that. And there's another feature which I don't think is mentioned here. You can automatically reply to them using AI, which is so awesome. Okay, cool. Then we have tracking analytics. Like I said, we can do it for emails, we can do it for SMS. We have WhatsApp now as well in HighLevel, so we can do tracking for that part as well. And then we have communities. I already touched on the communities part before. So between these two, like you don't need to build an entire track. Between these two, you don't need to buy a tracking and analytics software altogether, which is an average of $300 a month. Neither do you need to buy a community software, which is $89 a month. Okay, all of this is present in HighLevel. Okay, in the $97 plan. Okay, this is awesome. Cool. Then we have document signing. So most of you guys are familiar with DocuSign. Whenever you onboard a new client, you need to get them to sign a contract. You can build that contract in HighLevel and roll it out based on automations. You don't need to go in like, oh, they paid, now I need to send them a contract manually. No, they paid, it will automatically send them a contract. They sign a contract, it will automatically send them an onboarding form. They fill out the onboarding form. Based on that, we can do whatever we want with that. So I'm going to be sharing an onboarding video as well really soon as we progress in the series. But like, this is really cool as well. So you don't need to pay premium, like an average of $47 a month for contract signing platforms. Okay, so if you do an entire cost comparison of it, all of these tools combined, okay, charge you roughly around $7,111, and this might not equate to it, but this part does, because HighLevel, and I saved the best for last, HighLevel allows you to white label their app. Okay, you can do it on phone and you can do it on PC. So you don't need to, like, for example, if you're an agency owner and you want to sell HighLevel, okay, you can just white label it as per your agency name. So if your agency's name is Growth Guild, okay, you can build a platform for Growth Guild. Let's just say I wanna name the platform Growth Pro. Okay, so I can white label it to app.growthpro or anything.growthpro. Okay, so I can build an entire SaaS out of that. So that is basically, you don't need to pay to build our entire system like this. I mean, you onboard a new client, everything is centralized for them, and they don't know that you're using the backend technology. They understand you're using HighLevel, which is great. So this saves you, that's it, almost $7,000 a month. Again, and why I say $7,000, because all of these features are also available in the $97 plan. Of course, in $297 you get unlimited sub accounts. So we're gonna be touching on those in the next video. But like, so almost $7,000 a month is saved by these. And the best part, you don't need to keep 100 tabs open to manage everything in one place. No, you just do it with HighLevel. You just do it, you just open one tab and everything is centralized in one place. All right, so I guess that's it for this video, guys. In the videos to come, we'll be touching on the pricing, and then I'm going to be starting with a brief overview of how the system works and how you can utilize it as a business owner or an agency owner for your specific needs. Until then, guys, do subscribe, like, and comment. And if you have any queries, please leave down in the comments below, and we'll get back to you with another video on it. All right, thank you, and goodbye.